Workplace safety is a fundamental right for every employee. To prevent sexual harassment at workplaces, India enacted a special law called the Sexual Harassment of Women at Workplace Act 2013. This law is commonly known as the POSH Act. POSH stands for Prevention of Sexual Harassment. The Act was enacted following the Supreme Court's Vishakha guidelines to ensure safe working environments for women. Sexual harassment at workplace includes unwelcome physical contact, inappropriate remarks, sexual advances, showing explicit content, or any conduct that creates a hostile work environment. It can be verbal, physical, written, or even digital. The law applies to all workplaces. This includes government offices, private companies, hospitals, schools, colleges, NGOs, and even domestic workplaces. It also applies to women working on a temporary, permanent, contractual, or internship basis. Under the POSH Act, every organization with 10 or more employees must establish an internal complaints committee, known as an ICC. The ICC is responsible for receiving and investigating complaints of sexual harassment. In smaller workplaces, complaints can be made to a local complaints committee established by the district administration. A woman who experiences harassment can file a written complaint within 3 months of the incident. The committee conducts an inquiry in a confidential manner. During the inquiry, the complainant may request transfer, leave, or interim protection. If the allegations are proven, the employer must take action. This may include disciplinary measures, salary deduction, termination, or other penalties. False complaints made with malicious intent may also attract consequences. However, inability to prove allegations does not automatically mean the complaint is false. The objective of the POSH law is prevention, protection, and redressal. Workplaces must also conduct awareness programs and training sessions. A safe workplace promotes dignity, equality, and professional respect. Understanding the POSH law helps employees recognize boundaries and legal remedies. Harassment at workplace is not a personal matter, it is a legal violation. Know your rights, understand your responsibilities.